You ever find a phone case that fits just right, looks fantastic, and doesn't bulk up your device like a hefty brick? That's how I felt when I got my hands on the Sunset Moonrise case by Pitaka for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Let's jump right in. I opened the box to reveal a stylish case featuring that signature woven texture and a color that captures the enchanting transition from sunset to moonrise. Sure, there's a little paperwork in there, but who really cares about that when the case itself is so captivating? This isn't just any phone case. Pitaka uses aerospace-grade aramid fiber to create one that's remarkably strong yet surprisingly light. Your phone is well protected without the heavy feel of a bulky fortress. Plus, it's MagSafe compatible, making wireless charging and magnetic accessories a breeze to use, while the textured finish ensures a secure grip to help avoid accidental drops. What truly distinguishes this case is how Pitaka merges style with cutting-edge design. Their fusion weaving technique produces the Sunset Moment design, part of their original Weaving Plus series, which has quickly gained a loyal following. Despite the innovative features, the case is a mere 1.1 millimeters thick and weighs around 24.5 grams. It provides excellent scratch protection, has raised lips for the camera, precise cutouts for buttons, and includes a magnetic ring using amber magnet film tech, all without adding unnecessary bulk. Then there's the magez grip. After trying it out, I instantly understood its popularity. Designed to perfectly match the case, this grip, made of aramid fiber and zinc alloy, also serves as a stand. Whether you're watching videos, snapping selfies, or texting with one hand, it's super practical and user-friendly. It's slim, lightweight, and features strong magnets capable of holding up to 1.2 kilograms, so you can confidently hang your phone without fear. Best of all, it fits easily in your pocket at just under 6 millimeters thick, with no added bulk. In summary, Pitaka has crafted a combination that's both chic and practical. If you own a Galaxy S25 Ultra and want to keep it looking stylish, protected, and a little artistic, this case and grip might just become your new favorite duo. What do you think? Would you go for this sleek combo, or do you prefer tougher gear? Share your thoughts in the comments. If you like this vibe, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech insights. See you in the next one.